The question tells us that 4/5 of David's cards is equal to 2.5 of Ali's cards. Okay, so first we'll simplify 2.5 into 5/2 of Ali's cards. Since they have the same number of cards, what we can do is match the numerator. 4 and 5 have a common multiple of 20. So if we multiply 5 in the numerator and denominator here, we'll have 20/25 of David's card will be equal to 20/8 of Ali's cards. This is done by multiplying 4 in the numerator and denominator of 5/2. Okay, so David then will have 25 units at first, and Ali will then have 8 units. Okay, so at the start, we have our heading of David and Ali. They will start off with 25 units for David and 8 units for Ali. David lost 400 cards, so he'll minus 400. And Ali bought another 75 cards, so he'll plus 75. In the end, the ratio of David's cards to Ali's cards became 5:3. So now we can use our cross multiplication. Okay. So 25 times 3 will give us 75 units, minus of 400 times 3, giving us 1200. This will be equal to 8 times 5 units, giving us 40 units, and 75 times 5, giving us 375. To solve this, we'll find the difference between 75 units and 40 units, which is 35 units. This will be equal to the difference between negative 1200 and 375. That would be 1575. Okay, from here we can find 1 unit by dividing 1575 by 35, and we will get 1 unit will be 45 cards. Okay, part A asks for how many cards did David have at first. David had 25 units, so we will find 25 units by multiplying 45 and 25. That will give us our answer of 1125 cards. This is our answer for part A. Okay, now part B asks what percentage of card did David have more than Ali at first. So firstly, we will find the difference between David and Ali at first. David had 25 units and Ali had 8 units. So the difference will be 25 subtracting off 8, giving us 17. So we are interested to find 17 units, and that will be 45 times 17, giving us 765. This is the difference in the number of cards that David and Ali had at first. So to find the percentage that David has more than Ali, we will take the number of cards David had more over the number of cards which Ali had. Ali had 8 units of cards, which will be 8 times 45. That will give us 360. Okay, then we need to multiply by 100%. That will give us our final answer of 212.5%. This is our answer for part B.